Next up, born in the Gambia, Kweku John earned his MFA in poetry from the University of Michigan's Helen Zell Writers Program. His first full-length poetry collection, Saltwater Demands a Song, was published by Grey Wolf Press in 2023 and received the Academy of American Poets' first Book Award. In 2024, Saltwater also received a Gold Medal Florida Book Award. He is an assistant professor of English and creative writing at Loyola Marymount University. He also serves as the Poet Laureate of El Segundo, California, and was named an Academy of American Poets 2025 National Poet Laureate Fellow. Let's give it up for Kweku John.
All right. This lecture will change your understanding of metaphors forever, or your money back, guaranteed. Metaphor is defined as comparison without the use of like or as. What if I told you that metaphors can actually change neural pathways in the brain? Let's turn to a poem from ancient Japan by the poet Moritake. A fallen blossom flies back to its branch, I thought, but no, a butterfly. As opposed to standard English metaphors, which are typically more definite, Moritake admits the fallibility of human perception. What he thought was a blossom was really a butterfly. In doing so, he also incorporates Lojong philosophy, which holds that no definite truth exists. I thus invite us to use this lens and venture into our world across crossroads, looking for those connections that might lead us to more empathy between ourselves, the wider world, and others. Thank you.